Hey everyone, how's it going? So it's time for another Pokemon video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw Squirtle doing his water cannon attack. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Squirtle's water gun attack, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to curve up and then come down. Then we'll make a little line right here. Next, we'll draw a line that comes down. We'll do a half circle on top, and then an oval shape right here, and I'm going to color in that oval shape. Next, I'm going to leave some space, and we'll draw the other eye. So we'll start right here. We'll do that same thing. We're just going to come up. We'll make it a little smaller, and then we'll make the line across. We'll do a line over here, a little half circle, and then an oval shape, and I'm going to color in this part of the oval. Now starting here, we're going to do 2 dots for the nose. Now starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out and then in towards the eye. And then we're going to make the head. Now to draw the head, we're going to curve around and come right to about here. So I'm going to keep it really close to that eye. We're going to curve it around, and I'm going to bring it right to about here. Right above here, I'm going to put 2 little lines for some eyebrows. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes down for the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw 2 little lines that are coming out of here. This is where he's going to be shooting out his water cannon. Now, over here, let's make his arm. So we're going to start out here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve it around right by the face, and then bring it back up to here. We'll make a little V shape in here. And we'll put a little point right there. Starting here, we'll make the other one. We'll come out and then down. Then we're going to come out and bring it down here towards that water cannon. For the shell, let's make a little curved line right here. And then a small line right there. Next, we're going to continue this. I'm going to bring this down to here. See, it's kind of curved like a really stretched out S. And then we'll just redraw that shape. This is going to be for like the white part of the shell. And then we'll curve it up here, and this will be kind of like the harder brown part of the shell. Then we'll add a little line in here. Next, let's draw his leg. So we're going to begin by drawing a line that comes down. They'll make 3 little points. So we'll go 1, 2, and then 3. Then we're going to bring this up and curve it around. And then let's make the body. I'm going to bring it right to about here. So we're going to curve this up to about here. And then let's go ahead and make the other leg. To draw the other leg, we're going to bring this line down. And we'll do 3 points, but we're going to make them out to the side. So we'll go 1, 2, and then 3. And then I'm going to bring this up here. Now for the details on his shell, let's start by making a curved line to here. We're going to make a curved line down. And then we're going to make a little triangle shape right there. Now from here to the leg, let's draw a little line that comes down and then in. And then we'll do that same thing over here, but much smaller. Then we'll just go ahead and connect it. Next, let's make Squirtle's tail. So I'm going to begin here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up. And we're going to curl it around like this. Then let's draw a line to here. Now let's finish off by making his little water gun. So we're going to continue this out on each side. And then we're going to make some kind of curvy little pointed lines on here like this. Then we're going to bring these back up to here. And then I'm going to put a few more little kind of points in there. Then I'm going to make this come out a little bit farther. Make it come up a little higher. And then we're going to kind of do that same thing. We're going to make some little points coming down. And then we're just going to make them come right across here. And then we'll make some different little points inside of there. And then I'm going to curve this up to here and put another little line right up there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Squirtle doing his water cannon attack. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.